Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel, Tamara's Bargains, and today it is TGI Friday. Thank God for Friday. So if you guys had a long work week, I understand. I know all about it. So sit back, chill, relax, grab a nice coffee, tea, snacks, and let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you decide to stay and subscribe. And if you want to see my future videos, please don't forget to hit that bell icon button in the corner. So let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. I came across these guys, and these guys are so cute. I couldn't pass them up. And these are the solar stake lights. And look at how cute. Let me turn this little guy. He wants to be rebellious right now. But you got an elf, a little reindeer, and a Santa, and each of them got such a cute little personality. Like this snowman right here, here's a solar part on the top. I don't know why I got fuzz everywhere on it, but look at how cute he is. He's got like a smirk on his face, like a I'm the cool one out of the bunch. So I thought he was super cute. And then just to get them started and to work, make them work, you pull this little tab right here, and then pull this out, of course, and there you go. You got your little solar light stake. And then this little guy is so cute. I love elves just as much as the gnomes, and I just thought he was so cute. So he's got a little happy face, and then his little solar light is right there. And then this little reindeer was just so cute. I'm like, he's so cute. Like, I didn't have a favorite out of all of them. They're just, all of them are so cute. And then his little solar light right there. And he's got a little scarf too, little red scarf. And then the Santa. Santa's like, I'm coming to town. And then his little solar light right there. And then they also had a Christmas tree with like white snow around it, and it was cute, but I was like, I couldn't pass those ones up. Those were too cute. And then they also have like the Christmas light bulbs, and those ones, I think those ones either only came in green or they might have had different colors, but if I'm not mistaken, I think they were only in the green color, but they were plain, I mean, cute for what you could decorate for, but I just, like I said, those ones had personality. So if you see them, grab them. They're so cute. Now, the other items I came across were these solar decorative lights, but I only found green, and I was like, oh my gosh, if I find more colors, I could do so many cute things. Like, I could hang them from the ceiling, like different lengths, or, you know, I don't know, around a garland, hang them from my bar. I don't know, but these were so cute. They only had them in the green color, so I was like, you know what, let me just grab these ones just to show, but I'm on the look for other colors. And that's their solar light on top right there. And then two more items that I came up with that were so cute. I was like, no way, these are just too cute. So a little snowman, a little Santa. How cute is that? Now watch this, watch this. A motion activated ornament. How cute. And it's pretty loud too. How cute. I was just like, oh my gosh, I was like, how cute is that? And then again, an elf. And then this one. I mean, doesn't that make you excited for Christmas? I mean, I know I'm excited. I mean, look at, I finally decorated some of the stuff that I hauled from yesterday. Quick review though. You see all these little wall stickers that I hauled yesterday? Now I'm gonna be honest with you, so cute for $1, but I think I'm gonna have to come up with craft ideas on it, because it kind of disappointed me that especially the gnome ones, like these little guys, these little guys right here, what, pointed opposite, right there, okay. They were not sticking very well. So on the little candy canes, the little arms, they tend to lift up. So I've tried glue dots, I've tried tape, I did the instructions where you clean the wall and everything, and they're not, the gnome ones are not sticking very well. So I'm hoping I'm coming across some more, and maybe the one pack that I got was just a dud. So I'm hoping and praying that I come across more, but the ones with the snowman, the Santa, the Christmas tree, and if you can see the little penguin right there, and right there, those ones stuck really well. So I'm still having high hopes that I will come across gnomes and see if those ones will stick. So also too, in my previous videos, you know, I said I'm obsessed with the red trucks, and had to do it, had to do it. Look at how beautifully made this ribbon is, and it's a double pack for $1. And I mean, look at this. Back when I was little, at the Dollar Tree, $1.99 store, this one didn't look this great. This is pure perfection to me, and the fact that it's just like gorgeous. Now I hauled those mini Christmas trees. If I would have found these then on that little red mini Christmas tree I did, which I'll link the DIY video down below, this is going on top. I think I'm gonna ditch the star and go ahead and put that on top of my red truck mini Christmas tree, or on a gift. But I only found one of these, so I'm hoping that I will come across more. It does say Merry Christmas. It has some glitter on it, some snowflakes, and 2 Christmas trees on the back. So how cute is that? And they had all the basic, you know, the red bows that we've seen year after year. And yeah, I mean, you could come up with some beautiful ideas with them, but I've got so many red bows from years and years before that I'm just like, I need to switch it up, change it up some. So the fact that I found that, I was like, oh my God, that's gorgeous. So again, another onesie item that I found, treat bags. If you find the treat bags, holy moly, guacamole, they are so cute. Look at this, look at this. And it's a double pack. And these are so cute. Like normally in the Target bins, I always call them the 1, 3, 5 bins. They would probably have these for $1, I'm sure, but you're not gonna get 2, you're gonna most likely get 1. And look at how cute that is. And I need to pick up more. Like I said, I only found 1, but 1 more pack would do me justice, because I have 4 kids, and put their little extra treats in there or whatever. I still don't know what I would put in there, but how cute are these? I mean, you could come up with cute coworker gifts, teacher gifts. I mean, just so cute. So if you come across these, pick these up. Also, okay, wrapping paper. So far, my little one, my 5-year-old, is obsessed with wrapping paper ever since they put it back out in October. She already picked out her wrapping paper way before Halloween even started. So I hauled them before. Oh my gosh, my coffee must have come up. Sorry guys. But she hauled I hauled the red little puppies on it with all those scarves and the Christmas hats. But again, we came across them and she's like, you can't forget more wrapping paper. So here we go with the wrapping paper. So the first one, which I knew I wanted to find from the jump though, was Super Mario Brother. And how cute is this? If you could see that. Then we've got, this one was so cute. It reminded me of the Coca-Cola little bears, the little polar bears. And how cute is that, with Santa and a reindeer? So cute with this little sled. So I thought that was really cute. I had to do it, guys. I had to do it. Again, the elves and the movie Elf. Look at Buddy the Elf. Isn't sugar your favorite? I mean, I know it's mine on some things, but look at how cute. Buddy the Elf. Had to do it. Had to do it. I mean, I'm surprised I'm not wearing my matching shirt right now for this, but I just thought it was so cute. Couldn't pass it up. And then DC characters. My two other kids were like, nope, nope, this is my wrapping paper this year. So we'll see how that goes. But are you guys a DC or a Marvels? I'm both. I like them both. They all have good characters. So you got your Batman, your Robin. Well, yeah, this is mainly a Batman one. So, oh yeah, Robin and the Joker. So how cool is that? So that's it for this haul. I hope you guys have a blessed Friday. I'll see you guys in my next video. And like I said, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining my bargain family over here. Bye.